Hello there everybody, and welcome to a very quick tutorial which I hope will be beneficial for you. I'm simply going to show you how to attach these ready-made faux fur pom-poms onto winter hats and things. So they come usually like this with the two strands, and I'm going to show you how to attach to a hat. If you want to know how to make this beautiful little hat that I've got here, then I will leave all of the relevant information down in the description box for you. Okay, so you can see we have got our two distinct strands here. So I'm just going to thread up one of them and just grab your hat and get the sort of position that you're going to want your pom-pom to be in. So obviously try and make sure it's central. And you're literally just going to feed this needle down into your hat. It doesn't need to be done with any great accuracy at this point. You simply want to pull that string through. And then again with the other one, you don't want to do these at the same time. You want to do them separately into different parts of your hat. Just hold this string while you do this next bit. So hold the string so that you can see where you've gone in from with the previous one, and attach the other one. So go through a different part of the top of the hat, so about 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart, and again feed that down into your hat. And just give it a little wobble, make sure it's where you want it to be on your hat. And then just turn your hat inside out just for a second, and you can see here we've got our two ends, and you want to knot these ends together. You want to do it quite tight because you obviously don't want your pom-pom to go anywhere. And then at this point you want to simply thread your thing back on, and you simply now just want to hide these tail ends. It is as simple as that. Pull your strings through separately, knot them tightly together, and then weave in these little cords so that they are a little bit more secure. Again, no great skill or accuracy required with these bits. So make sure you do them both into different parts of the hat, purely so that you don't have loads of ends in one bit. So yeah. Just work that tail through. And then at this point, I'm just going to knot again, but not necessarily very tightly. I'm simply just going to knot the ends together and snip off. I'm not going to snip right next to the knot because obviously I don't want any chance of it coming undone. So I'm just going to leave 1 centimetre or so away from that knot. And then again, turn your hat the right way. If you've tacked your brim by this point, you won't need to faff about with it like I keep having to do. But there is my beautiful pom-pom attached. And I think it looks really nice, really sweet. And I think my daughter is going to be really happy with this beautiful hat. So I'm just going to light down, you can see there. So that is how to attach your pom-poms. Obviously you may just want to give it a little fluff up. There's never any harm in doing an extra fluff. But I really hope that that very, very, very quick tutorial will help you attach your pom-poms to your work, regardless of what it is. But yeah, that is secure, it's not going anywhere, and it's super cute and very fluffy. So that is the attachment video. But thanks for watching, and tune in again for another tutorial very, very soon. But bye for now.